at today, installing Hikvision cameras. As you can see, I've already used the back box here. I'm using rg59 shotgun cable, so it's just a quick little video on how to do the crimping of the BNCs, along with connecting the power to the camera. I've got the back box here. Obviously these are the cameras we are fitting here. 5 megapixels Hikvision turrets, 40 meter infrared. I'll just take them out the box here. So there it is. Like so. So there you have it. The BNC and your 12 volt 1 amp power. Okay, so firstly we need to remove the back box. Let's say the back plate. So gently with a screwdriver. Which comes off like so. And make sure, obviously that's the back box cover, which we're now going to mount the camera cover to. As you can see, it's a multi back box, so different cameras will fit. So obviously you need to line the holes up like so. In the back box we'll have your 4 screws to attach it. We'll only need to use 3. So as you can see, tighten them up. It is a foam backing on here, so once it's tight it seals it. And just tighten them up tight. Okay, they're all tight now, so we're ready to go ahead, feed the cable through the rubber sealed hole, like so. And pull him up. They're all rebaited except one. Whilst we fit, I can just show you here, when we fit the back boxes to the wall, we'll always have the cable coming out the bottom with a drip loop to stop any water running into the box. It does have a gland, you do the gland up, but because of the rg59, it's a shotgun cable, 2 cables side by side, there's still a chance that water could travel, so it's just something I like to do. So this top one here, which is not rebaited, is the top left hand of the box. So in this situation, this camera is going to be mounted like, let me just get it correctly round. So there, up, you're going to be pointing up that way, there, and then we can clip it in. So that is how the camera is going to look, obviously up on the wall. Now we're ready to go and do our BNC connector with our power. So first we're going to want a pair of cutters, crimpers, BNC crimpers, our wire strippers. There. Then we're going to need a flat-headed screwdriver, BNCs, and our power jack. I am working on a bit of an angle here, but you just bear with me. So you can see I like to have a nice drip loop there, so any water runs down the cable, it's no way it's going to get into the back box there. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is get our cutters. So I'll try to put it through there, that'll be plenty. We cut them off there. What I like to do is just split the cable, pull it through. Then on our wire stripper here, we mount him up. We tend to like to mount him up flush to here, give him a couple of turns like so, and then give him a pull. As you can see, it's prepped it ready for the BNC to be fitted and crimped. Okay. For some reason it impacts the tube. So we got the BNC fit in, the crimp, and also the pin there. So we like to put the pin on, and she should fit all the way home. Then we go get in our crimping tool there, and we find them over. Bend it there, let me just straighten it up. Basically that needs to be trimmed. That's the best way to do it, is put a crimp in there. They are quite small, so if you drop it you will lose it. Need to retrim that there. Maybe a little bit more of that. There, that's fine. Now obviously feed it into the pin and crimp up. So it's attached to that solid now. Next step is obviously to slide the cover over, the crimping cover over the top, and then obviously pull the strands of the cable back like so. Now once you fit in the BNC, when you push it over like so, you should hear it click. A good way to test is if you put your finger on the top and you get the little pin round circle, it's in enough. Now obviously put the cable in all back over, slide the sheath over, and then obviously crimp it with your crimpers like so. So that is the BNC attached to the rg59 shotgun cable. Now to strip back here, on my wire strippers I've got the two options to strip different sizes. I've set my tool up like so to strip obviously this side. So we have our live and our neutral there. So I strip the two ends back. I like to give them a good old twist like so. So looking at the power jack here, plus, minus, plus to the right, minus to the left. Okay, slack them off like so. Plus and minus in. and secure with screws. I am working on a road here, it's quite busy, buses and bin men travelling past, so that's probably the noise you're hearing at the moment. So now we are ready to install the camera. So make sure the rubber seal is obviously all mounted on as it should be, like so. Now we have our security wire, so that if we did drop it, it won't fall to the floor. So now we're good to go to connect. Obviously your BNC, it's push, twist, and just push your jack. So obviously I like to get them in the back of the back box like so, without knowing them. And what we'll end up having to do is to roll the cable like so, but without hitting the rubber seal. What? Yes, go on, please don't mind one. Thanks. You can never have too much coffee, they say. Okay. I've left the Phillips screwdriver down there, so I'm just going to use obviously the electric gun a minute so it doesn't fall back off. Okay, I'm going to go and get the cracked screwdriver. Going back, obviously we'll need the screw to fix him back up. There's 4 screws holding the back box cover to the back box. Have a look around, make sure your seal, this black seal here, is all sitting all the way round, otherwise there's potential of water going in and causing problems. Like so. Okay, all 4 tight now, so I can now put all the tools away. As you can see there, I like to just attach them there. I'll put a nice little cable tie here to carry the drip loop. Like so, I'll feed them on the back and just trim the pitot cutters Right, so basically here, cover can come off. Hikvition 5 megapixel 40 meter IR turret installation. Now for the cup of coffee.